Welcome to the channel. Guys, I know you might be looking at this in your screen like, okay, what is that? What is it giving? Guys, first off, this bag was gifted to me. And the bag was gifted to me by Zola Zolis. And if you see the thumbnail, I have been using this bag, which is like, I think a rayon. I don't know if this silk. Listen, I'm being honest and transparent. I don't know what type of material this is, and I really don't even care. I love the fact of the My Melody, and that is why I believe she purchased it for me, because she knows that I like the My Melody. Okay, now I've even said this to her. I thought the bag was like some cheap little bag that you got from wherever, and like I said, I haven't come across these little sack situations. Because at first glance, looking at it, I thought it was something like, okay, you carry some groceries or something to that effect. But guys, why I wanted to do this video on this bag is because, in my honesty and transparency, I have been carrying this bag to work ever since I received it. And I received this bag. Yikes, guys. I've had this bag for at least a month or two. So because of that is why I wanted to share a real authentic situation of what I have in my bags, guys, what I'm carrying as my work bag. Now, if you find one of these bags, I don't care if the bag costs $3, $2, $30, whatever. My purpose for making this video is because I didn't purchase the bag. The bag was purchased for me. But in saying that, I got her money worth, my money's worth, and I'm still using the bag. So, anybody that wants to come in the comments and, you're free to express however you feel. You might be like, girl, I ain't wearing that bag, or what have you. But I'm just expressing how, guys, undoubtedly this bag is carrying some of everything, because I have been using her at work. So guys, I have this little situation inside of this bag as well. I use these when my lip glosses, and I was making other videos. Guys, I have my applesauce, like literally the things that I need at work. This was gifted to me by Miss T, and guys, she has a channel as well. This pouch was gifted to me by Zola as well. This is My Melody, and I really have my ID and things like that inside of here, my passport and some pens. Just a whole little situation. My cord, guys, for my laptop, because I have my laptop sitting on the floor, but my laptop is in here, as I've carried my laptop inside of here as well. This little pink pouch, this little pink container, guys, that I got from Dollar Tree. This roll-on lip gloss that I got from Pink Sparkly Chick. She gifted me this as well. Girls, I have some thread, some weave thread, where I was working on something. Now, I know our jobs is not the same. Your job may not afford you to have all of these different things or what have you. But in my in-between time and in the meantime, I have all of this stuff in my bags, okay? And I mean that literally, guys. Literally. This is some more lipstick. I have my packs of Quaker Oats. We not sponsored, baby, but yes, my oatmeal for in the morning, at work. Guys, like I have a pair of scissors in this bag. I have a string for my bracelets that I make for myself. I have a band-aid because I did get injured. My air freshener, guys, that I use in my truck. Okay. Girls, how do you feel about this Snapple tea? It is, I drink this stuff every day. I love it. I absolutely love it. And guys, this is not your traditional. These band-aids I was gifted from Miss Pink Sparkly Chick as well. Now, aren't they just a vibe? Aren't they just too cute? She didn't know that I injured myself, and guys, I'm gonna show you if you can see. Somebody might be like, ew, that's not, it's TMI. But guys, I injured myself, and me just wanted my finger to heal, but I really needed these band-aids. Okay. Guys, I purchased myself here recently some glass beads because I am going to make myself some waist beads. So that's why I have these. I was gifted this as well from Zola. And I was gifted this as well, guys, from this lotion from Miss Toya. So, guys, I just have a bag. Ooh. This I was gifted, this lip gloss I was gifted from Pink Sparkly Chick. Guys, now, as you can see, this composition, it just says what, guys? It just says fancy. I am not a planner girl. I am recently dabbling and dibbling into the planner world. So I said, you know what? Let me take a regular composition book. Let me see how much I use this. And when I say, girls, guys, I literally have been jotting down things inside of this book. Everything you could think of. That's why I'm not going to even open it and expose my business. But everything, things I think of, anything that comes to mind, grocery list, anything, because I'm like, listen, if I can use this $1.25 composition book, or no, I didn't get this from Dollar Tree. I got this from Walmart, guys. I was like, okay, this is what I'm gonna be planning with, okay? Let's see. I have another applesauce inside of here. I have hand sanitizer in here as well. Guys, there is just an assortment of things. I have crazy glue for my nails. You name it, and it may come out of this bag. Like, and that is so sick. I'm so serious. When I was making my denim boots, I have leftover denim strings. I have other charms. Guys, I just have an assortment. I have beads in the pocket. And this is literally, it's a slouchy kind of bag, guys. I want you to be able to see it. And it just carries a lot of items. So, guys, leave in the comments. Tell me what you think. If you really watch the video and you saw this bag, for me, especially experiencing my LV key pouch, I me not having it any longer, guys, experiencing that, I said, if I have something that is gonna get the job done, and it doesn't cost a lot of money, and if something happens to it or it's misplaced or what have you, I really you know, I wouldn't mind. But it's allowing me, because this thing is so big, I literally can just, you know, carry it on my arm, throw it inside of my desk, throw it in the closet, leave it in my, you know, leave it in my vehicle. It just really works for me, guys. So leave your comments so I can know what you think. But guys, I just wanted to share with you the bag that I'm actually using at work. Okay, so if you was here for it, and even if you was not here for it, if you like this video of seeing all this junk, because it just was my personal junk that I carry around, okay, give the video a thumbs up. And if you wasn't here for it and you like, girl, I don't want to see that junk, then give the video a thumbs down. Okay, I am still here for it. So until the next time, guys, bye for now.